Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is 1 out of 2 videos. I don't know how I'm gonna upload these, but this should be the first video so I could do this show and tell. This hair or wig is from a company called Hurela or Hurela. I don't know how to pronounce that. I will leave that information down in the description box for you guys. But this is the color that the wig came in. Now this is a fake scalp wig, but this is different than the normal fake scalp wigs that I've tried. Now when I took it out the bag, it looked normal, like, you know, you have the cloth underneath the lace and that's it, right? But no, you're gonna see what I'm talking about at the end of this video. So it comes with 4 combs, adjustable straps, and that lace. So I did do a color tutorial, so if you want to see that, wait to the end of this video and you can click the next video that comes up. So after I did the color, I'm just going to show you the simple install that I did. And this is what the wig looks like after I did everything and she's ready to be installed. And so I did use my Boho Liquid Gold, which is my favorite adhesive. Well, it's not an adhesive, it's a serum to adhere my wigs. It is very, I want to say, not... what is the word that I'm looking for? Abrasive on my skin or on my edges. It comes off with water, so if you are somebody that sweats, I wouldn't say that this is a product for you. I am somebody that switch out their wigs because I do a lot of YouTube, so yeah. So first things first, I'm going to cut off the seams in the front of the hairline, which I always do to any closure because it just helps lay better, and you can have that illusion of your closure looking like a frontal if you do this, okay? So you want to cut those off. It's only 2. Cut both of them off, okay? And then you want to go in with whatever adhesive you are using, all right? And so like I said before, I'm going to use Boho Liquid Gold. I'm going to place a nice amount on my stocking cap and on my skin, and I'm going to spread it out evenly because you don't want it too thick where it's going to seep into the lace. So after I have it spread out, I'm going to go ahead and pull the lace down. You want to pull the lace down in front of wherever you pulled your adhesive because you don't want to make the mistake of it drying in front of your lace and it gets sticky, okay? Even though you wouldn't have this issue with this particular serum because you can go in with water and just wipe off the areas that you messed up in, all right? So I'm going to take my blow dryer on warm and I am going to blow dry it until it dries down, and it usually takes about a couple minutes. This is my new baby. His name is Fats. He's a pug. I'm gonna do a whole video on him because he's just a little cutie. So I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor and just cut off the remainder of the lace, and that is basically it. Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to come to you guys to show you this wig. I did customize this wig as far as color goes. I couldn't really customize the hairline, and I did not bleach the knots. I did not pluck this. I did not add makeup to this. Like, this is straight out the bag as far as lace goes. I did go ahead and throw in some highlights, but there is a video on that. This is called a fake scalp wig or a PU wig. I don't know if they call it a Q wig or PU wig. The company contacted me and they asked me if I wanted to try it. I thought it was a regular just fake scalp wig, but this wig is very different from the wigs that I have tried before. So I've never had a wig like this before, and the reason why I say that is it looks like a closure. It feels like a closure, but it's not a closure, okay? So basically what this is, it comes with fabric underneath, and I will show you a video or a clip of that right here. So it comes with fabric underneath this wig, and it has lace on the edge of it, okay? But the difference is with this is it's not a regular fake scalp wig because it only has this middle part, right? When you part in the closure where the closure should be, it's going to be wefts. So that kind of threw me off because I'm used to customizing my wigs. I'm used to, you know, having a closure that I can customize and tint and everything like that. You can tint this lace. I would say you would dip it in. You know, there's different ways of tinting. You could dip it in like tea. You could dip it in rinse. You can use your makeup, whatever the case may be. But you absolutely cannot bleach your knots unless you cut that lace off. And I don't know what it would look like if you cut that lace. I mean, if you cut that fabric that's under there off. So this is a very interesting wig, you guys. Nevertheless, she's cute, and I did this color good, okay? You're gonna see another tutorial with this wig or something similar to this wig coming up, and yeah, so if you guys are nervous of achieving this color, I will have definitely a tutorial for something similar to this particular wig, which is super cute, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy tutorial. I am wearing 26 inches, and this is a very full wig. It might not look like it, but it is a full wig. I'm just hot. It is hot in LA, but yeah, she is cute. I just wish I had a regular closure, and that's my big gripe when it comes to this unit. So if you do not like to customize and you like a very full wig and you just want the basics when it comes to your closure or anything like that, then I would highly suggest this wig. This wig is super shiny and it's super silky. It took coloring, bleaching, and dyeing real good. It didn't take me long to achieve this color. So if you are one of those girls that's out here that you know want like this wig because it's minimum customization, then this is the wig for you guys. All right, so if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave your comments down in the comment section, and I will be down there answering everything that I can. And until next time, my best friends.